Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your device runs a supported iOS version and you have enough free space. Open the App Store now and confirm you are signed in with your Apple ID. This prevents permission prompts later. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular limits and speed issues. If automatic updates are on, toggle them off then back on to refresh. Now search for Roblox in the App Store search bar to bring up the app page. You'll see Update on the Roblox page if an update exists. Tap it to begin. Watch the progress indicator. If it stalls, tap to pause and resume or switch to another strong Wi-Fi network. This often clears stuck downloads. Make sure you keep the App Store open until installation finishes and allow any permission prompts that appear so the app can update fully. If you use background app refresh, enable it for smoother installs. Otherwise, manual updating is more reliable for a single app. Once installation completes, open Roblox to verify it launches and the new features are present. Check the version in settings if needed. If the app crashes or won't start, restart your iPhone to clear temporary issues and try again. If updating still fails, delete and reinstall Roblox. This preserves cloud data but removes local caches. A key troubleshooting tip: if downloads hang, sign out of the App Store, restart, sign back in, then retry the update. That often resets stuck connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.